How to use promo codes and Poly AI. Now, if you haven't downloaded Poly AI yet, then you'll have to download it. So if you cannot find Poly AI on your Google Play Store, then just go directly or open up your Google Play Store and type in Poly AI. So Polybuzz is actually a formerly poly.ai application. It's actually the same app, but it's just a different app. So they switched from Poly AI to Polybuzz. So make sure that you're currently running the latest version of Polybuzz, or formerly known as Poly AI, to ensure that you will not have any problems in the near future. So the next thing you do is to go to your profile, which is going to be located at the lower right portion. And then at the upper right hand corner, there's going to be a gear icon. Tap on that, and you'll see these options right here. So have your code ready and tap promo code. So as you can see, you need to log in or sign up for you to be able to enter a code and take advantage of the code that you will use. So upon logging in successfully, that's the time that you can enter your code. So that's it. That's how you use promo codes in Poly AI.